Hey guys and gals, GearHeadGirl here. We've got one bracket, we need 2 brackets, and we don't have time to wait for them to ship another one, so we are going to fabricate our own. We've got our literally steaming hot piece of metal. We're going to try to fabricate a bracket like that. Yay! So, this will work. Alright, so we've cut the end off of that, and now we're going to grind these down nice and pretty. Now we're trying to bend this metal to match that. Ooh, getting there. Aha! And just going to weld it together and drill some more holes. Okay, so here's our original bracket, and here's our nice new fabricated bracket. And now we're just going to scuff both these up and make them the right color. And now we have our nice 2 finished brackets, and they're the right color. Success!
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you want to be awesome and provide support for better content, click on the Patreon link in the description below. Check us out online at GearHeadGirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram and TikTok at GearHeadGirl69.